BabyBus.
Days in a row to get lots of gifts. Bulldozer. A new day has begun for the construction team. Let's take a look at the orders. These are the orders we need to complete today. Construction team, roll out! There's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. What happened? My cargo ship tipped over and all the goods fell into the sea. Can you help me scoop them up with an excavator? No problem. The excavator is on move. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. The goods are scattered in the water. Let's scoop them up. Drag the excavator to find the goods. That's amazing! You've got all the goods out! Thank you! You have done me a great favor! You're welcome! Construction team, mission accomplished! Order complete! Good job! Let's move on! Next order! Bulldozer. Tap to equip the magical item. White sheep, is there anything I can do for you? I want to build a park so I can play with my friends in it. Can you help me? Leave it to me. Bulldozer, let's go! Drag the bulldozer to shovel up the building. Great! Now let's put the rest buildings in the corresponding pits. You built the park! Construction team, thank you! We all like the park you built! Order complete! Good job! Let's move on! Next order! Great! Oh no! The tree has fallen! Let's use the crane to help the tree. Tap the button to lift the tree. Great! You saved the tree! Hank, is there anything I can do for you? I want to build a Ferris wheel in the amusement park. Can you help me? No problem. Leave it to me. Let's push the dirt away and level the ground. Now, dig a hole for the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel. Wow! The Ferris wheel is done! It's beautiful! Great! You completed all the orders today! Please come back tomorrow!